it's not good for our environment.
Smoke from cars pollutes the air and harms nature.
Okay, I didn't know. Let's go on our scooters instead. Evelyn, no. This food is for animals.
Mushrooms are food for animals. If they're plucked, the animals will have nothing to eat.
Okay, I know now. No.
Organic waste turns underground into useful compost and becomes fertilizer for plants.
Look, this is what we have to do. We're gonna make a hole. Okay. Put this in the hole. Now we have to bury it. Okay, and this. No, it's not compostable.
Plastic takes a very long time to decompose and it spoils the soil. It is bad for the insects and plants in the ground.
Let's take this bottle home. Okay. I always recycle. Okay, I get it. Oh, hi then.
Hi.
Can we help you?
Yes, you can water the plants.
What? I think this wastes a lot of water though.
Clean water should be saved because there's not much of it in nature.
I know what to do. Yay! Hey, rain cloud, come here. Come on.
Hello there!
Good job, guys.
These tasty treats are planet gifts. Yum. Let's wash our hands. Okay. Evelyn, look, this is enough for your hands.
Paper is made from trees. We need to save paper so that people don't have to cut down all the forests.
Oh, okay, now I won't waste paper anymore. Bravo! Spider! I hate spiders! Get ready! Evelyn, stop! What?
Spiders are food for birds. If you kill a spider, the birds will have nothing to eat.
Let's see how you like this. You like it? Okay, I get it now. I'm really tired. I'll watch some TV. You see, sunlight is enough.
Energy is running out. You should save it and use sunlight more often instead of lamps.
We have to conserve energy. Oh, okay. Thank you. It was really interesting what we learned today. Let's learn more together. Yeah, this is a good idea. Next video. Daddy, can we have a day yes? Yeah, a whole day where you have to say yes to us. Please.
Okay, but there are gonna be 3 safety rules.
Safety rules, taking care of health, respecting other people's boundaries.
Yes! What should we ask for? Candy. A lot of candy. Sour candy. Sour candy. Yum. You have to say yes to us all day. Yes. Don't forget.
Yes.
More candy.
There is one rule. Health care.
If you eat too much candy, it will harm your health and you will need medical help. You will have to go to the hospital and your plans will be disrupted. And the yes day will be over quickly. So it's safe to eat as much candy as you can fit in the palm of your hand.
Okay. This amount of candy is okay to eat. Yeah, I don't want to get sick. Daddy! We want a trampoline!
Yes.
So hot. So hot. Daddy, you want to take a bath? Yeah, with a lot of foam and bubbles to cool us down.
I say yes. No. It's not safe to eat. This is a rule.
It was very fun. Daddy, buy us new toys. Yeah, a lot of toys. Big toys.
Yes. But you have a budget.
Every family has a limited budget. We must use it wisely. If we buy toys with all the money we have, we will have no money left to live on and the family could suffer.
Drive us on a cool car. Yeah.
Yes.
It's really important to buckle your seatbelt.
Stop. Don't run in the store.
Okay. I picked this. And I picked this because a lot of little toys is the exact same as one big toy. Daddy, we want to live a night today. And we want to go to bed whenever we want.
Yes. One more rule, guys.
Okay, we will be quiet.
Do not violate other people's boundaries. Try not to disturb people who want to sleep.
It was a very fun day. Yeah. Good night.
You can have yes days. It's a lot of fun and good for the family. But don't forget that there are always rules to follow.
Next video.
At school.
Hi. Wow. Hi, teacher.
Hi, Nastya.
Come here. Okay. Hi. Sorry, Evelyn, but I need to sit here. Evelyn, why are you so sad? A lot of people don't want to play with me, and I don't know why. I didn't do anything wrong. I think I know why. Can I come to you after school? Yes.
Evelyn's house.
Hi, Evelyn. Huh? Ow! Great, let's do it! New toothbrush. Evelyn, come here. Do you use your toothbrush? No, I brush my teeth like this. That's why you have an unpleasant smell in your mouth. Evelyn, people don't like unpleasant smells. Okay, I'm gonna brush my teeth every day now. Okay. Yay!
At school.
Hi. You look shiny. Hi, teacher.
Hi.
Hi, Evelyn. Hi. Do you want to sit together? What happened with your clothes? I don't know. My clothes are fine. Can I come to your house after school? Yes.
Evelyn's house.
Hi, Evelyn. Your room is clean. Good job. Hi, Nastya. Thanks for helping me. Can I see your wardrobe? Of course. Come here. It's right over here. You need to be more careful with your clothes. Oh, my clothes aren't clean. That's okay. I'll wash them. Use a hanger. Thank you. All done. This will help. Now it's so much cleaner. Yay! Here, Evelyn, you should wear it to school tomorrow. Okay? And this.
At school.
Hi, everyone. You look great.
Hi.
Your clothes are so beautiful and clean. Thanks. But did you have a hairbrush? No. I brush my hair like this. I'm coming to your house today.
Evelyn's house.
Hi, Evelyn. Do you need a hairbrush? Okay. Wow, I look so pretty. Always bring a hairbrush to school. Show me your nails. You have to take care of your nails. Okay.
Hooray! At school.
Hi, everyone.
Girls, you look pretty today.
Guys, take care of your body, take care of your clothes, and take care of yourself. And always help others who are in need. Next video. Hi. I'm going to Los Angeles. I will make peanuts and orange juice for you Yummy. What do you think this is? This is all soap. This is a ducky, a real ducky, and this is soap.
Soap? Are you eating soap?
Soap?
Yes.
That looks like a candy.
Oh boy. That could have been sassy. It's made out of pulp. That's very stuff. Probably production hours.
going on. Play again right now. Do the exact same deal. There you go.
Oh, hello!
I will show you my hospital room now. Come in. This is living room. The first thing is the carpet. So. Oh, chair. Exclusive family. What is that? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! This is my new bedroom.
Oh, this is your bed. Okay, good. Good night, baby.
And a kitchen. I hope you enjoy my room tour. Next video. I'm lost. It's okay. I know rules. I know what to do. I need to find an adult, and he's gonna help me to find the way home.
Let's play.
Oh, no! No. Yes, yes! A police will help me to find the way home! Yay!
Hi.
I'm lost. I need to find my daddy.
Let's go. Sit down, please.
My dad's name is Yuri.
Okay, I will find him. Oh! I found him. Oh, hi.
Who is it?
His name is Yuri.
No, it's not my daddy.
Okay. Chickens. Oh, hey, you! Come with me. Come. Look, this is your dad, Yuri. Oh, hi.
It's not my dad.
Hi. Hi. Look, this is Dad. Huh? What is your name? Yuri.
No, it's not my dad. Where's my home? Where's my dad? Oh, I remember my home address.
Oh, great!
I learned it with my dad.
And what is your address?
Oh, 777 Sweet Street.
Let's go!
Look, this is my house.
Wow! Okay, let's check. 777 Sweet Street.
Yes! Thank you so much for your help.
Don't get lost anymore.
Guys, do you know your home address? If no, learn it.